In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your BeeHiiv email signup share link. This is an important feature if you're looking to share your BeeHiiv email newsletter signup link easily with others. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will help you get what you need without any hassle. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your BeeHiiv account. Once that's sorted, the starting point is heading over to your dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address to navigate to BeeHiiv's website. Now go ahead and locate the dashboard. This is your main hub on BeeHiiv, where you can manage various aspects of your account, so getting familiar with it is a good start. Next, on the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Subscribers. This is where you need to click. The Subscribers section is where you manage all those who have signed up for your newsletter, so keeping track of this area is pretty crucial. Clicking on this will take you to a new page with more options specific to managing your subscriber base. Now that you're in the Subscribers section, look for an option called Magic Links. Magic links are a feature that essentially allows you to create quick access points, or links, which makes it simple for people to subscribe to your content. Clicking here is your next step to finding that valuable share link. Once you've clicked on magic links, a list will appear, including something called your custom magic link. This is the real star of the show today. It's critical that you know about your custom link because it's designed to be shared with others for easy sign-up access. Click on this link next to move to the next step. After clicking your custom magic link, you'll see an option to copy to clipboard. This action duplicates the link and makes it ready to be pasted wherever you need, whether it's into an email, onto a social media page, or even into a text message. This action is as simple as a click, so don't hesitate to do so to save a copy of your share link. By following these steps, you've successfully located and copied your BeeHiiv email signup share link. Now you're all set to share your newsletter signup link effortlessly across different platforms. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.